Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for a lock screen in POCO X5 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then find additional settings at the bottom. Here enter gestures shortcut, and now we can see them all. First one being launch Google Assistant. If we open it, here we can enable or disable to use Assistant by holding the power key for half a second. Let's go there again and let's try it. It works fine. Here we have it. Now move back, and next one is take a screenshot. So you can slide 3 fingers down or hold volume down and power key for about half a second as well to make a screenshot. Let's see how it works on lock screen. This one works fine, and it also works. Next up we have the partial screenshot with holding 3 fingers onto our screen. So this feature doesn't seem to work on the lock screen. Nope, it doesn't. Let's go back, and next is launch camera. You can enable 2 settings here. Double press the power button to open camera, or double press volume down when your screen is locked for the camera. So I know that both of the features work on lock screen. Let's try it. This one works fine, and this one also works fine. Only problem right here is that you need to replace the double press power button with this setting right here, which enables your flashlight with the same combination. So let's replace it and try to use it on lock screen. Works fine. And there will be last setting, which is actually not, sorry, there's back tap, and here you can double back tap to either do one of these options right here. Let's go for the silent mode, and triple back tap to enter maybe camera. Okay, now let's try it. You just need to back tap right here. So this works fine, but I think you need to wake up your phone for that. And the triple back tap launches the camera. So this all features work on the lock screen as far. Only the 3 fingers partial screenshot didn't work. And last right here is double tap fingerprint sensor to open one of these actions again. Let's go for the calculator. So you need to tap it and don't press it. As you can see, normally it launches the calculator, but on lock screen probably it will have problems. Yep, it doesn't launch the calculator. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.